Well, good evening, River Bats, and thank you for tuning in for today's episode of Green Room. I'm your host of today's episode. I'm Bert with Bert's Prop Shop, and today I'm going to show you how to make a color shifting potion. I have an example here that I have done, which is available on my Etsy shop, Bert's Prop Shop. Find me there on Instagram, Facebook, and Etsy. Here we have our color shifting potion. This is my magic potion for I believe this is the flying monkey one. Now available on my prop shop. You can find it there. And if you tune into our next episode, I'm going to show you how we make my soda can koozies out of EVA foam. Perfect for your D&D loving friends. Or if you're going to the upcoming Renaissance festivals or any of cosplay events and you want to drink in style, I'm going to show you how to make it. You put your soda can in and banga! You're ready to go. All right, now let's get into it. All righty, now these are the supplies that you're going to need for this little old project. You have your choice of either distilled water, or you can use 70 or 90% alcohol. I recommend starting off with the distilled water. You can get a bigger bottle and it's cheaper. And it's less hazardous because the alcohol is flammable. So I recommend, if you're starting off, to do the distilled water over the alcohol. But if you're feeling dangerous and you want to try it, you can. Now, if you're under the age of 18, you're going to need some adult supervision. You're going to need some Gorilla Glue, because that's a strong glue. You need some twine here. You're going to need your little container that's going to hold your little potion. I got these off of Amazon for like 20 bucks. You can get like a bag of these little plastic bottles with the cork tops, which is what I love. I love the little cork top. You can do so many things with those. I got my food color in here, and I got my color shift pigments, which you can get off Amazon as well. I've already got my water poured in here. Now I have my little wax seal here that I had picked up on Amazon to use for these projects. And it comes as a little kit, so you have your little thing here that you can heat it up. I have my two little markers to color the seal once we're done. And I have my little wax here. So we're going to choose some colors and we're going to go ahead and get started. So these are all the supplies that you're going to need for today's project.